Are you looking for the top 5 best automatic watches under $1,000? Which automatic watch is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Unamela Watch Winder. Let's kick things off with the Unamela Watch Winder. Priced at just $22.94, what caught my eye was its sleek black carbon fiber leather design. If you want to keep your automatic watch wound and displayed beautifully, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Crafted from premium carbon fiber leather, it not only looks good, but also protects your watch from wear and tear while on display. The Japanese quiet motor is a game changer, allowing it to operate without annoying noise while you're trying to sleep. This winder rotates your watch in a preset cycle, keeping it wound without overdoing it, which is perfect for your valuable timepieces. Now, some people might complain about the battery-powered option since it requires 2 AA batteries that aren't included. Here's the thing though, you can also power it via USB-C, which adds a layer of convenience, especially if you travel a lot. This is perfect for you if you're a watch collector or just want to ensure your automatic watch is always ready to wear. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional watch storage option, but for the price. Product number 2, Invicta Pro Diver 5053. Next up is the Invicta Men's 5053 Pro Diver Collection Automatic Watch, priced at $74.33. What stood out to me was its striking stainless steel case and luminous hands, giving it a bold and professional look. If you want an automatic watch that combines style and functionality, this is worth checking out. The 40mm stainless steel case is not just stylish, it also features a water resistance of up to 660 feet. That means you can take it with you while diving or swimming without worrying about damage. The NH35A Japanese movement ensures accurate timekeeping, which is essential for those who appreciate precision. Now, some users have mentioned that the watch feels a bit bulkier than expected. Here's the thing. For a watch that's designed for diving, a more substantial build can actually provide better durability and performance in the water. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable watch for both casual and formal occasions. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and minimalist, but at this price, you can't beat the quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be product number 3. Forsening Square Retro Watch. If you're into unique designs, check out the Forsening Square Retro Mechanical Watch priced at just $43.99. Its stunning carved skeleton design truly captures the essence of vintage elegance. If you want a watch that stands out and sparks conversation, this is definitely worth a look. The watch features a self-winding mechanism, meaning it winds itself while you wear it. This is great because it eliminates the need for batteries. Plus, it's water resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for light swimming and showering. The luxurious mechanical design showcases exquisite craftsmanship, giving you that high-end feel without breaking the bank. However, it's important to note that the watch requires manual winding and can stop if left unworn for too long. Here's the thing. If you're someone who wears a watch daily, this won't be a problem, but it may not suit those who frequently switch watches. This watch is perfect for you if you want an eye-catching piece that reflects your unique style. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional look, but for the price, it's an incredible value. Now, if you liked the aesthetic of the last watch but want product number 4, Seiko 5 Automatic SNKP 21J1. Up next is the Seiko 5 Automatic Black Eastern Arabic Dial Men's Watch, priced at $177.47. The first thing that caught my attention was its classic design paired with a reliable automatic movement. If you want a watch that combines tradition with reliability, this is definitely worth considering. This watch features a stainless steel case and a water resistance of 50 meters. It's not just about looks, it also has a calendar function, which is super helpful for daily use. The 41mm case size fits comfortably on most wrists, and the glow-in-the-dark feature ensures you can read the time anywhere, anytime. However, some users have noted that the watch is a bit bulky for smaller wrists. Here's the thing. If you enjoy a more substantial watch, this won't bother you at all, but it might not be ideal for everyone. This watch is perfect for you if you appreciate a blend of functionality and classic style. Skip this one if you prefer something more minimalist, but for the features it offers, it's a solid deal.
Product number 5, for signing mechanical watch. Last but not least, we have another for signing product. The men's automatic watch with a skeleton dial and leather band, priced at $59.99. Its retro design is stunning, showcasing the mechanical movement through an open dial. If you want a watch that's both stylish and functional, definitely keep this one in mind. Much like its counterpart, it features manual self-winding, so no batteries are needed. This watch is also water-resistant to 30 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear without worrying about splashes or light rain. The leather band adds a classic touch that complements its overall aesthetic. One downside is that, like the previous for signing model, the self-winding mechanism means you must wear it regularly to keep it running smoothly. Here's the thing, if you love wearing watches often, this will be non-issue. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that makes a statement without emptying your wallet. Skip this one if you're seeking a high-tech battery-powered option, but for this price point, it offers great value. So, to recap, we've covered the Una Mela watch winder for those who collect, the Invicta Pro Diver for the adventurous, the unique Forcing Square Retro for vintage lovers, the classic Seiko 5 for tradition, and another stylish Forcing with a skeleton dial. Each watch brings something different to the table, proving that you don't have to break the bank for quality. Happy watch hunting!